Hello everyone, today we have come for a one-day trip, that is for picnic, to a very beautiful lake. This is Serandapalli, Vanamma Lake. This location is in Tamil Nadu, which is just 35 kilometers from Electronic City. We are just setting up our setup and then start with our picnic.
Ready, okay?
Good job. High five. Good job.
Para patanda ba tu?
बस ज़्यादा नहीं जाना बेटा. ये वाला ऊपर करो. हाथों हाथों.
वाटरफॉल कर दूं? वाटरफॉल कर दूं?
My son loves playing in water. He never misses an opportunity whenever he gets a chance to take bath in a lake. And he's very excited whenever we plan a trip near the lake or some river.
मानी
कैरेट खाएगा?
मानी मानी है मम्मी मानी है
पानी है इसमें?
हाँ
हाँ नहीं बोलते. क्या बोलते? लो टिंटिन लो. टिंटिन लो बेटा. Today I prepared chana chaat for a picnic snack, and after some time I'll prepare milk for kids and coffee for us for this wonderful evening. You want more? Tintin, you want more? How is it, Siddharth? Nice? How? It started raining, so we all came and sat inside the car, but our setup is still outside, hoping for the rain to stop so that we can prepare some tea or coffee before leaving, before ending this trip. The rain has stopped now, I'm preparing coffee for us
And milk
and
for
we will enjoy this beautiful evening.
Waiting for good. पापा मुझको घर
We are done for the day, and yes, kids enjoyed a lot. And they're talking about this place. This place is really very beautiful, guys. You can consider it for a trip or for camping also with your family or friends. It has ample space and kids will really love it, believe me. So please come here at least once.